The practice of Yoga Nidra is a practice of yogic sleep that will guide you to the hypnagogic state, a state of consciousness between wakefulness and sleeping. Make yourself comfortable. There are times that during the exercise you might feel cold, so cover yourself with a light blanket. Lay on your back in such a way that your spine is aligned and your feet and arms are a comfortable distance to your sides. Palms up, away of your body. Chin slightly tucked. Paying attention to your whole body, from the top of your head to the soles of your feet. Breath is natural. And now become aware of your natural breath. Become aware of your natural and spontaneous breath that moves in and out of your body without any effort. Move your attention to the right side of your body. Right arm, right hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, palm of the hand, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Move your attention on the left side of your body. Left arm, left hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, palm of the hand, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Now go to the back of the body. Right heel, left heel, right calf, left calf, right thigh, left thigh, right buttock, left buttock, lower back, middle back, upper back, the entire spine, right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, back of the neck, back of the head, top of the head, forehead, right temple, left temple, right ear, left ear, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, middle of the eyebrows, right eye, left eye, right nostril, left nostril, right cheek, left cheek, upper lip, lower lip, both lip together, chin, jaw, throat, right collarbone, left collarbone, right side of the chest, left side of the chest, upper abdomen, navel, lower abdomen, right groin, left groin, the pelvic floor, the whole right leg, whole left leg, whole right arm, whole left arm, the whole face, the whole head, the whole torso, the whole body, the whole body. Come back to the feeling of your breath flowing in and out of your nostrils. Deep, fully breaths 3 times. Maintain your awareness of breath and at the same time develop your awareness of your physical body. Start by slowly moving your hands and feet. Take your time and raise your arms above your head and stretch as if we are awakening. Roll over to your right side and stay for a few more moments. Use your hands to press yourself up from the floor and let your head come up last. The practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete.